Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell to be notified for future videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are working on our first Johnny Lightning. You guys might remember this car. John sent it to us in our last unboxing video. This is a Johnny Lightning custom Toronado. Today we're going to do a repaint and make it look pretty again. I hope you guys enjoy. So guys, let's get into this. So, this car was already pre-drilled. Once I got it, I pre-drilled it because I knew I was going to do this video for you guys this week. And I wanted to do something different and cool. So our goal for today's video is we're going to take the car apart. It's already pre-drilled, like I said. I'm going to take it apart. It fell all apart when I took it apart. And we're going to strip it down and repaint it. We are doing nothing special to the base but polishing it, keeping those wheels because I want to keep it as original as possible. And yeah, that's what we're doing. So now in the video there was a rivet that we had to take out of this car. This was the most scariest thing I've done. All you got to do is drill slightly so you do not break the glass. What I did was I grabbed a flathead screwdriver and I pretty much pried that thing out. I was scared. It pretty much almost cracked through, but we did add some super glue to that and it did make it stronger in the end. So that's always good. So I wanted to give you guys a giant thank you for checking out everyone in the Diecast Mafia, especially for our last video on the station wagons. I loved every video that came out, and there was a lot of great work that came out, and I'm very proud of everybody. And I love the work that we do as a group. There is the glass. It is finally out. Like I said, I cracked it, and it almost cracked through, and I was about to cry because I do not have a replacement for that, and I do not want to go find one. Anyways, we grab our stripper, as always. Remember, guys, don't take too much. Then, grab our hood and our casting and pop it in. I do gotta say, I did struggle putting this in this week. I have no idea why. But do your normal, shake her up, and go for it. But make sure you shake it up when the lid is closed. Now, we're going to move on to our plastics. Our interior was very, very dirty. So was our glass. There was a lot of dust and grime on it. So, with that said, I decided to put it in some hot, soapy water to clean it up. There's my water right there with some soap. Yes, it is another pill container. You can have as many of these as you want because it will not do anything to you. Other than probably upset your stomach because you don't want to eat soap. But that's besides the point. You're going to want to shake it up and put it off to the side. Now we're going to after the car was in the stripper, we took it out. And now we're going to clean it with a couple wire brushes. Like I said in my last video, we did get a couple new wire brushes and I'm very excited about that. So we're going to use those today. With a wire brush, my thing is the longer it is, the better. Because the better it will clean. So we're going to start with our base. And there's that new wire brush. I like it. It was kind of hard to do this recording. But that didn't stop me. It never does. But where we started was the back. And then we moved our way to the front. We do this for the body. And off camera we do the hood. So, after we clean the car and the hood, we do move on to the sides of the car. I'm not sure if they were casting lines. They kind of looked like casting lines to me, but we are going to sand those off with a file. It was actually pretty fun to do, and it honestly, when I put paint on it, it made the car look 10 times better. So I'm really not sure if those were lines that were on the car or were supposed to intentionally be, but we did remove them, and that will be in the next clip. So let's finish up cleaning here, and we will see you over there. So, like I said, guys, we have our file and we have our casting lines to file off. Now, we are going to take our time and we are going to smooth this down and use our wire wheel to smooth out the body so it doesn't leave any imperfections in the casting. We really don't want that. Now, this is going to be a long process, so I'm going to talk about something else. So, what I was saying before is, guys, I wanted to say thank you for all the views, the support for the last video. I know my last car wasn't the best of cars, but we are making up that with this car. I got a great paint job idea for this car. It's going to look very clean, very sleek, and very professional. And I hope you guys enjoy that, because without you guys enjoying this, I would not take all this time out of each week to make you all these videos. I enjoy doing it. It's very fun, and I'm grateful for all of you. I just want you guys to know that. Also, I don't know where I would be without all of you guys, really. I'd probably still have like 20 subscribers, if that. Now, I would like to get back to the build. Just wanted to say a quick thank you, and I appreciate all of you. But since we are winding down here, I have taken that side off, and then we move on to the other side. I believe I don't show the other side, but that is just besides the point. Next, we're going to move on to paint, and I will reveal that paint, and then we're going to work on some detail. So, let's go over there right now. Hey guys, so the car has finally been painted. We did it in a tester's rattle can. I decided to pick this goldish green because this was an original color that Oldsmobile put these cars in back in the day. So I thought it would fit perfectly for this build. Now, I want to apologize in advance. These angles are not the best angles, but I am starting to detail the motor, the front end, and that was really about it. But right now we are detailing the motor. As you can see, it was the most challenging thing in the world to do, believe it or not. I say that because it was hard to angle my camera to a point where it was comfortable for me to give you guys the best shot I could possible. But we did manage, and we did get the footage that I wanted. So we did all the details. We did the engine block, the air filter, the what else did we do? It looks like pretty much anything that you would think would be chrome in a real car, we did. Except the little side pieces that you see to the left and the right. Those little like mount looking things, we did not touch those this time around. I did that on purpose because I didn't think it was necessary to do. Also, I didn't want to mess up. Now, we're going to move on to the front end. This was pretty easy, actually, and I honestly thought it would look better if it had the chrome accents. So, we did paint this with chrome tester's paint. After we did that, we did the headlights, and off camera I did the door handles, finished detailing the motor, and put some black wash behind the lights. And also, if you see those crevices on the front, the left and the right, I did look it up, those are lights, so we did add some white and yellow paint to make those stick out and pop a little bit. Also, the top there where you see that triangle shape where the hood goes, that was also painted in chrome. Just so you know. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a quick video. Well, not really quick, but it was just a simple custom that I wanted to do, and I cannot wait to make more of these because there's plenty of them about to come out, and I just hope you guys like them. So, if you do, you know what to do. Follow, subscribe, and like. Make sure to like, guys. I've noticed a lot of people don't like. They comment, but they don't like. It's not a problem. I don't know, it's weird. But, guys, let's go to that final assembly point. See you there. So, here's our final assembly point, guys. So what we're going to start with is the hood, of course. If you look at it, the paint did crack, but there is nothing wrong with that because it is the hood and you can barely notice it. Here's our base, looking very pretty. It was clear coated as well. Our engine and our front end was done. And our door handles, look at that. Our engine was also done, like I said, and the front end. Look how pretty that is. Next, we have our interior that we cleaned with the soap and water. We did scrub it. We didn't do anything special to this because there was no need to do that. Next is our glass that we almost broke at the beginning of the video. There is the super glue damage right there. Well, there's the damage and then there's the super glue fix that I glued, filed, and fixed. Then our base, nothing special. Redid the back lights, looking very nice, and we polished the bottom just so it would shine once again. Now guys, let's move on to what we started with. So remember guys, this is what we started with. A 1993 Johnny Lightning Custom Toronado. It was beat up, paint needed redone, and it needed a cleaning on the bottom. So, let's go to our final results. This is our final results, guys. The car turned out great. It looks very good. I'm glad I could bring it back to life. And I wanted to thank John one last time for this car. This is probably one of my favorite castings out of the bunch. And I have many more Johnny Lightning videos coming out to you guys shortly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to stay until the end, there's a couple more pictures of the car. We will see you in the next one. See you guys.